Hey guys, how's it going? Sorry, Nick's cooking dinner over there. If you hear some stir-fry noises, that's what's happening. I'll go show you what he's doing in a second. Anyway, this is gonna be a little bit of a weird video. So remember that one time when I was like, yeah, I'm gonna have 2 videos per week, Wednesday and Sunday every week, woo! Well, so that's still a thing I want to do. However, this week, I don't know, I guess I've just been busy. Let me put this camera down. Well, so this week, I don't know, I guess I've just been busy. I don't really have that many good excuses because I don't have an actual job at the moment. And I have before in the past. There was that 1 month of February where I did a video every single day and I had a job. So like, I don't know. I don't really have a good excuse as to why I didn't have a good video prepared for today. But this is what's happening. This video is letting you know that I don't have a good video for today. So let me back up. First of all, look at my t-shirt. Woo! Cool. I made it. I was going to put up the video of me making it during the whole screen printing process, but there were a few delays in the process. I wanted to get it done yesterday, but then I had to let some stuff dry overnight and then like all these things. And then today I went on this like wild foraging food walk, which was cool, and that will be coming to you in another video another time. And then I had a meeting and then I had to finish the screen printing, and now it's 7 p.m. and Nick's making dinner and I want to eat dinner. I could stay up all night and edit the screen printing video, or I could quickly film some like kind of like tips video and edit that to have ready for tomorrow. But I feel like neither of those are gonna be good options. I don't want to stay up all night. I don't want to just like rush to make a video that's not gonna be good and that's like gonna be just kind of crappy. So yeah, but I'm making this one to tell you that because I feel like integrity is something that's very important to me. And if I say I'm gonna do something, I want to follow through. So I am following through with the video, it's just not. Anyway, this is a long ramble. Okay, so exciting videos coming up. We've got a food foraging walk. We've got screen printing DIY. It was a little rough, but like cool. I mean, t-shirt. This coming weekend is a long weekend here in Canterbury. It means there's a day off, and well, it doesn't really apply to me at the moment, but applies to Nick. He has a day off and he's taking an extra day off. So we're gonna go on a fun adventure. We don't know where we're going yet, but there will be some cool video adventure coming up real soon. Oh, and tomorrow, the very exciting thing is that we are going to be getting our permits for the PCT. Well, hopefully. So apparently a lot of people try to go on at the same exact time as soon as they open. And they only release right now 35 permits per day. And then in January, they release 15 more per day. So there's a total of 50 permits per day available. So I hear it's like you might have to wait for hours online. I don't know. I'm gonna see. And then I feel like it's gonna like really be happening. If you don't know, the PCT is the Pacific Crest Trail, and it's the walk that goes from Mexico to Canada across the US. If you've heard of the book Wild or the movie Wild, that's that walk. I will follow up about that after we get the permits. Very exciting. And what else? I've been looking for jobs. I'd like to get some kind of part-time job so I still have enough time for you guys. But I also, if we're gonna do this PCT, I really wanna make sure I have enough money saved and that like I feel comfortable to, because all of the gear and everything that you need is really expensive because you wanna buy like the best kind of ultralight gear and all this stuff. So yeah, I need to be working more. But I also want to start doing some more freelance work, so that's what my meeting was for today. So hopefully I'll be doing more freelance videography and stuff like that. And then of course, whenever my t-shirts are ready, I'm gonna start selling those. However, after you watch the screen printing video, you'll see I might need some more time on that. Should we go check in with Nick and see how his meal prep is going? Let's go. Maybe you'll get a Nick fact. Oh, he doesn't sound too sure. Uh-oh, battery is low. How's it going?
Pretty good. How you going?
What you making?
Well, fish tacos.
Ooh, wow, what a treat.
What a treat.
I didn't even know that.
I was going to make some guac, but I don't have all the ingredients, so it's pretty much going to be mashed avocado with a little bit of lime. And there's some greens and some stuff to put in it. Some gurnard with some spices.
Next fact.
Today I got a haircut.
Looks very good.
Thank you.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay, here's a fact question. What's your favorite condiment?
Oh, does guacamole count?
Okay.
Alright, easy.
Nice.
I don't know what else. What's your favourite condiment? All I can think about is guacamole right now because I'm mashing avocados. So
I don't even know. Barbecue sauce.
barbecue sauce is pretty good. Yeah. What's going on with you guys? Hey, let me know in the comments below.
Okay, so I guess maybe I might just end this video here. I know this was a very boring video, but I said so from the beginning. I mean, I could keep filming and you could watch us eat dinner, but then I'm still just creating more work for myself because I have to edit the video and upload it tonight before I go to bed. I just don't think I want to stay up all night. Last night I barely slept at all because I was like having all this. I just could not sleep because I was thinking about my screen printing. Yeah, I'd really like a good night's sleep tonight, I think. Anyway, so we're gonna eat dinner and yeah, the next video you'll see is the screen printing one. Check it out, let me know what you think and if you want to see more DIYs. Alrighty, see you next time, bye. Taco time.